Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie here. Today I have another video for you guys. So I went to Target for their Christmas clearance. I only found a few clearance items. I'm gonna go through them first, and then I have a few of their new items that I put out, kind of like Valentine, early spring collections. I found some really cute stuff. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for your support. Let's go. I found some gift tags. They were 50 cents. And then I found these mini bottle brush trees. There are 6 counts. They were $3, so I paid 30 cents for them. These bows, I got one in silver and one in like a gold with the whitish. It's really pretty. So 50 cents each. They were $5 and they are 2 counts each. Good for next year. And then this one I was so happy to find because I had my eyes on it when it was not on sale yet. They were $5, so I paid 50 cents for it. This garland. I know exactly what I want to do with them next year, of course. Here are 3 more Christmas clearance items that I found. These housing, they were $3, so I paid 30 cents for them. So I grabbed the white one and the black one. Found this Christmas Carol book. This book was $5. So I got it for 50 cents. I'm super happy. I wanted to get this for my boys when it was out for Christmas, but I'm like, $5? I don't know. So I'm lucky I found one. And that is it for my clearance. I didn't find a lot. They were really picked over. So that's fine. Now here is the exciting part. I saw pictures on Instagram a lot, and I went last week, but they didn't have anything yet. It's this 2-tier tray. It's a small size, but I mean it will fit anywhere. That's the good thing about it. I'm gonna probably put like some tea bags on here for my tea and cocoa bar. When I look at the picture, I thought they were bigger than this, but it's actually very small. See, compare next to my face. But it's really cute though. The next one, this one, I'm so happy. I've been on the hunt for these. It's also on the smaller size, but it's fine. It will be so perfect on my kitchen counter. It is also $5. So cute. You can do so much with these trays, you guys. So cute. And next, this cocoa sign right here. It is $3. I'm a sucker for anything cocoa theme. And this is a tray. It's $5. It's great because it has 2 compartments. I actually grabbed 2. I don't know which one I'm gonna keep yet. So this one is really cute. And this is the other one. This one is more up my alley. It says warm up here, coffee, cocoa, and tea, which is perfect because I don't really do coffee. My husband does a little bit, but I'm all about the tea and cocoa. So this is so cute. I think I'm gonna keep this one, but I'm not sure yet. It's also $5. And it's white, so it goes perfectly well with my kitchen and my theme. Next is this picture. I thought it was more white when I see it in pictures and stuff. It looked white to me, but it's actually cream. It is $5. It's really cute. You can use this year round. You can put flowers, greeneries, you know, eucalyptus stems, con stems, anything. And then I found these really cute cream and sugar jars. Like most of these, I thought they were bigger because in pictures they look really big, but I guess but it's still cute though, you know, and it will fit on these trays perfect, you know. It's just a good size for it. It is in the cream color, and it's $3. I found this rug. It's really cute and pretty. It says family, a little bit crazy, a little bit loud, and a whole lot of love. It's a good size. See? And it has these tassels at the ends, really cute. And it is $5. They had many more style and color, but this one I like the best. Okay. I have some signs. It's so cute, and you can actually use both sides. It's actually charge paint, I think, so you can actually use charge and write on the back. It was $3. So cute. And then another hot cocoa mini shadow box, and these little shadow box only $1. So cute. This one, it says love you to the moon and back, also $1. This one, it says hot chocolate is like a hug from the inside. Last one, it says hot cocoa, 25 cents. It's in like a maroon burgundy background. And these, they're called Cup Cozy. I grabbed 3 of them. They're so cute. They're only $1 each. So cute. Next items is labels. I got 2. They were only $1. This is a letter board. I'm glad I found this. This was $3. It's so cute. They had like 3 color, white and teal, and I think pink too, and this one. But I grabbed this one because it's more neutral. Letter to go with the board, and the letters are $3. They have ones with like symbols, like coffee mugs and all kinds of stuff, but I just grabbed the plain letters. And I found a lot of these mini cake stand. They're really cute, and they were only $1 each. I have like a bunch of these, but when I see them, I grab them. I don't know why. They're so cute. They were only $1. These ones are kind of different than the ones were out this summer. This one is like a white, but they painted a coat of like shimmering iridescent. I don't know if you can see that. See, this one is a regular white. See the iridescent? Yeah, that's so cute. So I found, I think, like more than 10 actually. And I got them all because they're so cute. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe I can sell them on Mercari, yeah. So yep. And that is it for my haul, you guys. I'm super excited about these items. I can't wait to use them. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribe, like, and comment below. Tell me what you found, if you've scored any of these items yet. Because I know some Target doesn't put out all of these stuff yet, because I have like 4 Targets around me, and only the one closest to my house have these items. So yeah, but I mean, keep an eye out for them, you know, because I think they're still trying to get rid of their Christmas stuff. So, but you know, it's coming, you know. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.